How to share location on Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share location on Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is, of course, have the Google Map app. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get the app, you can open it up and then just head over to the location which you want to share. So for that, let's say I've just tapped it here, and if I again tap on it, it will just take me to the location. So right here, what you can do is you can tap on the share option, and now you can copy the link for this place or share this place. So that is a way to share a location. So to share your location, what you'll need to do is head over to your very location on your Google Maps and then tap on the blue icon. After you tap on the blue icon, you will see the share location option. Tap on share location and then you can share your location through maps, emails and stuff like that. And that is basically how you can share your location on Google Maps. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.